2, 1. Hello, my name is Ramansh, and this is Timothy, and we're here to discuss our Mech 203 project, where we create our own Mars rover, and we named the project. We are Group 11, Project Perseverance, and we named it because one of the previous Mars rover launches by NASA was named Perseverance as the mission. So we decided to take the name as inspiration.
In this video, we're going to talk about the Mars rover that we designed, along of how the design works, how we came up with the design, and what the looks like.
So for as how we came up with it was mostly just through sketching and throwing ideas at each other, using a simple paper and pencil. We came up with a variety of ideas, the two of us, and once we finally made enough, we decided to take aspects from all of the different designs and put it together to one final sketch before improving on that any further that we believe was necessary. That way, once we finished, we would then translate it onto CAD software from paper and pencil.
How we transfer design into a 3D model. We use the Autodesk Fusion 360 software in order to transfer a sketch into a 3D model, which we improved on for practicality and to establish a foundation for improvement and to make more advanced and detailed models.
So as for the final design, there's a small picture attached to the slide at the bottom right corner for your viewing, but we've also attached the actual file for Autodesk with motion studies attached as well, so for later study. So, but yeah, that's what the final assembly looks like. The rover itself has a power motor and electronics stored in a cylindrical core that is then inserted into a hole within the main prism that acts as the main body, and that is covered in order to provide it protection from outside elements. In addition, there is an antenna, communications dish, camera, and sensor on top, which allows for gathering data and information through sensory means and communicating with other people back either at the home base on Earth or to people on Mars. And finally, there's also attached a drill and a claw. The drill meant to break through any obstacles that may be in the rover's way, and the claw to pick up and sort through materials or objects that maybe want to be collected for later study. And this whole thing is propelled on its own wheels. So that's the base design.
The way the rover works is that the rover works by the fact that the electrons in the motor allow for the rover to move along the Martian surface without having to worry about that electricity, heat, and corrosion from chloride salts. The antenna communications that allow for communication with the rover on Mars. The camera allows us to see what is going on with the Martian surface, a lot of capturing pictures to process as data, and the chloride draw of the rover allow the rover to collect examples from the Martian soil to allow over processing of data.
All right, that's the conclusion of the presentation. Right now, all of the attached files, including the actual assembly, the pieces separately, and the motion studies are attached, along with the report that we wrote. Thank you for listening in, and we hope you have a good break.
All right.